Hi guys! Welcome to our MoneyExp YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to our channel. In this video, we will talk about top 5 browsers to get paid to surf the web. So make sure to watch the full video. Earn extra cash just by doing what you already do. I use 2 of the browsers and make around $6 to $8 monthly. You can also get paid to surf the web. However, there are plenty of apps on the Play Store that promises to pay for browsing, but most of them are fake. They'll show you minimum ads and keep the payout limit high. This is a kind of time scam, and they never pay even if you reach the limit. So here I found a list of real browsers that are paying from a long time, and if I can earn from browsing, then obviously you can. 1. Qmee. Qmee is another GPT website that pays to take surveys, quiz, daily poll, and more. There are many other options to increase your daily income other than browsing the internet. Qmee asks you to download a browser extension. You don't have to change your browser or search engine. Just browse the same way you normally do. They'll show you ads in the left column, open them, and make money. There isn't a lot of money by browsing, but if you can use other options to earn, then it'll boost up your payments. Estimated monthly rewards. You can earn an average of $2 to $3 monthly with paid searches. Withdrawal. There is no withdrawal limit. You can make a withdrawal via PayPal or gift cards. 2. Microsoft Rewards is another great option to get paid to surf the web. Microsoft pays you to browse the web with Bing. It's a search engine similar to Google. You can use it on any browser to search. However, Microsoft Edge is the most popular. They'll pay in points where you get 3 points per search. 1 point equals $0.01. Now, you cannot do unlimited searches daily and earn hundreds of dollars, but it's limited to few levels. At the first level, you can earn a maximum of 50 points daily, and at level 2, you can earn a max of 250 points daily. As long as you continue to earn at least 500 points per month, you'll remain at level 2. Estimated monthly rewards. A level 2 member can earn a maximum of 7,500 points per month with searches. If you complete other offers too, then you can make approx $7 to $9 per month. Withdrawal. Use Xbox and Windows gift cards, Microsoft Store gift cards, sweepstakes entries, Amazon, or Starbucks, or you can donate them to charity. Unfortunately, you won't be able to cash out via PayPal. There is no set minimum cash out limit, but it depends on the option you're choosing to withdraw. 3. Brave browser. Brave is a free and open-source browser developed by Brave Software in 2015. It's based on the Chromium web browser. Blocking harmful ads and website trackers make it faster compared to Chrome. The Brave browser shows you ad notifications while you browse. Opening those ads will pay you around $0 and 1 cent in a cryptocurrency called Basic Attention Token, BAT. It's the best get paid to surf the web program I ever encountered. The pay is great compared to all other browsers on the list. If you're looking to quickly start with a browser, then Brave is the one. Estimated monthly rewards. Brave shows a maximum of 5 ads per hour. $5 per month is achievable. Withdrawal. You need 25 BA to verify your account, or you can use Uphold Wallet to transfer any number of tokens you have. 4. My Points. At My Points, you can get paid to surf the web, watch videos, play games, do surveys, and more. It's similar to other GPT sites, but the reviews for My Point are not much great. A lot of people complain about the high disqualification rate on surveys and poor pay. They also provide a paid search option on their website where you get Yahoo and Bing as an option to get your query searched. My Points pay you in points, and search win points are completely random, ranging between 4 and 30 points on most days. You could win multiple times each day, but it's completely random and not guaranteed. Estimated monthly rewards. On average, you can earn 250 to 400 points by browsing. Withdrawal. You can redeem your reward once you get 700 points to your PayPal, airline mile points, or gift cards like Amazon or Starbucks. Around 120 to 180 points equals $1. 5. Inbox dollars. Inbox dollars is existing since 2000, pays you to perform simple online activities like other GPT sites. It's a reputed website that paid over $60 million in cash, PayPal, and gift card rewards to members. You need to download the Inbox Dollars toolbar for the paid search feature. You get $1 for downloading the toolbar and $0 and 1 cent per search per day, up to a maximum of $0 and 5 cents per day. You've to download specific software. Earning is not possible with a browser extension. At Inbox Dollars, you get paid to surf the web, do surveys, watch videos, read emails, complete offers, and more. Estimated daily rewards. $0 and 5 cents a day is equal to $1.50 monthly. Not a lot of money, but just another option. You can use other options to earn more. Withdrawal. Get $5 on Signup, but the withdrawal limit is $30. You can use PayPal or gift cards to withdraw. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.